Hi, my name is Roman. I am Keelan's cousin, the other kid on this channel who does all the Iron Man stuff. I'm more of a crafty person, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make stick bombs. Popsicle sticks, and you can get a box about 300 of them at like Walmart for like $4, so it's pretty easy. The first one is smaller, so I have it right.
This is the boomerang one, or the frisbee one, and when you throw it, it will explode. Alright, so this is the frisbee stick bomb, and when you throw it, it will burst into a bunch of sticks. What you will need to build this one is 4 of these jumbo popsicle sticks. What you do first, you take one popsicle stick and make it diagonal, facing to the right. And then another one right on top of it, and you'll make a triangle with no bottom, or a pyramid. And then you take another stick and place it over the top of both of them. You want to hold pressure on that stick as you take the last stick, slide it under the first stick, over this stick, and under the next stick. And that will create enough tension to keep it together. Squeeze it, make it more precise, and now when you throw this, it'll burst into a bunch of pieces. There we go.
So, let's see if we can do this. I often mess up and have to rearrange the sticks to make sure there's the tension.
And the second one it's bigger, so we'll just have a video.
So this is how to create the bigger stick bomb. You're going to need a larger pile of sticks about this big. So that's like 30 some sticks, or 20 to 36. And you're gonna place the first one in a diagonal fashion facing to the right, and then the next one facing to the left, making an X, like that. Take another stick right here, push down on the first one, you're gonna slide it under there and over the other one, like that. So here's what it looks like. You have to keep pressure on this one so it doesn't fly apart. And then you take the next one, another stick, you place it under this one and over the next one. And try to keep these 2 sticks parallel, this one and this one. And then you're gonna take a stick and you slide it under this one and over the next one, like that. And you just keep repeating this until it looks something like. So now, to stop it off, you're going to take one more stick, like this, and you're going to slide it under this one, over this one, and under the last one. And you'll let go, and it'll be like that. And so now I'm just going to cut to when we made it a lot bigger, and then I'll set it off so you guys know what it looks like. Alright, here we go.